Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Morph transition to create a creative intro in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Canva, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, using the Morph transition feature in Canva creates an intro that offers several benefits for enhancing the visual appeal and engagement of your presentation or project. Because, for one, the Morph transition in Canva allows for seamless and smooth transitions between different elements or slides. Now, this feature creates an elegant, professional look, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your intro. Because the Morph transition can be used to visually tell a story or convey a message by transitioning between related images or text elements, so you can create a narrative flow that resonates with viewers. Okay, let's start with this image right here. You can start with a blank design, but the idea is I'm gonna create a transition using one of my template that I have created in the past. All right, so the first thing is go to elements and we're going to put a shape. All right, now for the shape, I am going to put a different color. Maybe I'm gonna choose something yellow. All right, something yellow. Okay, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna cover all the images right here, and I'm gonna change the transparency to a little bit of something like 50 or like 40 plus or 30, right? And then I'm gonna hover this to the right side of the image, like half of the image or the canvas. Again, I'm gonna put another element here. You can choose any shape. I'm choosing circle for now. And I'm gonna change the opacity to... I'm gonna change the color first, alright? I'm gonna choose maybe green for now. And I'm gonna hover to the transparency and change it to 0. Okay? Now, you need to select both of the image, right? By clicking on Shift, hold the Shift, plus click on the elements that you want to group, and click on Group, okay? And then I'm gonna drag it to the right side of the screen, just a little bit. Now, the next thing that I'm going to put is maybe like a balloon shape right here. Okay. And I'm gonna scrub it all the way throughout here. Now, for the balloon, I'm gonna change the entire color of this one. And I'm gonna duplicate another one by clicking on Control C plus Control V. And I'm gonna flip it vertically. All right, there you go. Now, once you click on the option to play it here, as you can see, that's gonna be the transition. All right. That's for the image. Now, the next step that we are going to explore is using a video itself, all right? Now, go here at the home page and click on the video, all right? And let's create a blank. And from the blank, let's go to upload and click on the morph image that we have created, right? So we'll do the same process earlier. If you can still remember, what we did was go to elements and click on the square or rectangle and change the color from maybe yellow and drag it and cover all the way, and then maybe a little bit of transparency like 50, and then what we did next was drag it a little bit right here at the 50, and create another element wherein I'm gonna use the this one, and we created, let's choose another color. That's gonna be a green for now. And what we did was group this image elements together, and let's put another now for this time I'm gonna use black. Okay, and I'm gonna cover this. Okay, and then I'm gonna cover this one again to the entirety, and I'm gonna duplicate this one again. All right, just around here, and then from here I would go to the option on the animate. All right, I'm gonna click on pan. The other ones earlier, now if we try to have a preview, see? Okay, let's duplicate this image again. What I'm gonna do is maybe enlarge this image. Maybe something like this one. And I'm gonna animate this into something like this one. Now, if you try to play it again, right here. You see? That's the morph transition. But, of course, this is gonna be the basic foundation. You can... Of course, you can basically play around with it, just like this one. All right, so what I'm gonna do is hover down all the way here. Ungroup for now. Hold on, let me undo that again. Okay, so let's animate this one as pan. Okay, and I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna split. Now the split type is, I'm gonna put again another element, which is the black earlier. Right? And as you can remember, we duplicated that. And of course, we are going to animate this one again. Maybe to so if we play all of it right here, that's going to be our morph transition. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.